Marine exploitation and pollution are causing rapid damage to entire marine ecosystems globally, including Australia's largest natural marine asset, the Great Barrier Reef. With issues such as marine pollution, ocean acidification, loss of marine species, and degradation of marine and coastal environments, Envirotech Education believes we need better educated people to fight to turn this around. Certificate 2 and 3 in Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration are both Vocational Education and Training, VET accredited courses with practical and theoretical activities. Envirotech Education is currently the only RTO in Australia to offer such marine courses to students. Protection and conservation projects including coastal environmental campaigns, creation of conservation areas, deployment of artificial reefs, conservation-based diving activities, restoration of mangroves, shellfish protection programs, seagrass bed and coral reef conservation are all critical to make these changes possible. Students will receive direct learning, be able to discuss case studies and scenarios, participate in work groups, get practical hands-on learning, and count on industry involvement. After certification, graduates will become qualified marine conservation and restoration professionals. Possibilities of jobs for marine professionals, fishery management and monitoring, marine park ranger, research assistant, volunteer coordinator, restoration projects, data collector, research services officer on marine ecosystems, and more. Are you ready to make a change? Join us at Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration courses.